Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. If you've seen my last two videos, you know that I'm currently on a cruise with my daughter. However, if you're new to my channel, I'm actually a flight attendant for a major airline in the US. Our first cruise port stop is actually Koper in Slovenia. Now, Koper is actually Slovenia's main cruise ship port and is located just a few miles from the city of Trieste, Italy. And also, Slovenia is known for its well-preserved medieval city center called the Old Town. Now we are going to be walking around in the city of Koper, and then we're actually going to take a bus to, well, stay tuned to find out. Oh, wow. So we are taking the bus to Piran. Now we booked actually the tickets when we got off the cruise ship because every excursion on the cruise ship was quite expensive if you ask me. And these tickets, as you just saw, were really inexpensive. An adult was $20 and my daughter was $15. Now we chose to go to Piran because Piran is actually one of the three major towns in Slovenia, and it's known for its medieval architecture along with its narrow streets and compact houses. Welcome to Piran.
You can go around.
And this is Tartini Square, which is one of the main center points of Piran. Right here is where people actually go and enter the ocean and go swimming. I hope you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces I was able to show you of Slovenia, but stay tuned because we are heading back to the cruise ship, having dinner, and then tomorrow we're going to be actually in Messina.
Sam, also don't look at me when you're dancing like that. Okay? Set right there, face that way. Okay, everybody, here we go. Come in. Okay. Oh, Sam. You notice, the wind is kind of picking up a little bit. You don't want to jump up too high, okay? A gust of wind might come and just okay, so here we go. Count it in. On 3, 2, 1, jump!
Too embarrassing.
Oh man. It's like right when you get to the ridge, it's like it's just crazy.
If you hadn't booked an excursion on the cruise ship, you could have booked an excursion right as you got off the cruise ship. However, as you just saw, those prices were also quite expensive. So after walking around for a little bit, we actually decided to go on one of the hop-on hop-off buses. However, we had to find an ATM machine because they would not take credit cards, only cash.
To the right, we can see the town hall and the post building, et le patio de los correos. On arrive maintenant à la circulaire place Antonello, dédiée à Antonello du palais de la Provence et la galerie Vittorio Emanuele III. À droite, on peut voir la mairie et le bâtiment Salvatore, la ciudad de Messina, et la pared externa de sa fortaleza giganti. And now we can see the Fountain of Neptune, a 19th century copy of the one built in. Alla nostra destra potete ammirare Château du Mar.
20 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास.
If you are taking the hop-on hop-off bus in Messina, my suggestion is to get off where the Tempio Vorio di Cristo Re is. This is actually a building which incorporates both a church and a memorial for the fallen soldiers of Messina. And if you would like to go inside the church, there is a charge of €5. And besides the church and the memorial, this is an amazing place to see the entire city of Messina. The memorial is actually on the back side of the church, and there is no cover charge to get in. We actually got lucky. There was a really nice gentleman that actually walked us through the entire memorial with explanations and backstories. Look up Bali, how beautiful that is. Didn't expect that one, did you? Do you see the parrots?
About 200,000 years ago. A nuestra derecha vemos la costa calabresa y el estrecho de Messina. El estrecho tiene forma de nudo, pone chiamato in un primo momento as a tribute to the king's re o premier roi d'Italie, Vittorio. La chiesa fu eretta nel XII secolo come cappella reale e in 400 church one can also get an idea of what the police
This is the Basilica Catedral di Santa Maria Assunta, which is actually centrally located in Messina. The church dates back all the way to the 12th century and was restored in 1919 and 1920. And this is how we spend our day in Messina. Now I invite you to sit back and enjoy the beautiful view as we leave Messina and wait what we're going to see on our way out. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that if you get anything out of my videos. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys at the next port.
We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger.